Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can get the first date of the quarter or the end date of the quarter based on a given date. For example, the 9th June is given over here, and the first date of the quarter is the 1st of April, and the last date of the quarter is 30th June. April, May, June, right? So how you can get it is something which I will going to show you in this video. So before that, just a quick information about the things which I maintain, like this date scenarios workbook, where I maintain all of the scenario till the 6th scenario what I have, and all the calculations, as you can see, properly maintained as per the scenario number. So if you want to get this workbook, the instructions are present in the description, and if you want to follow it along, you need the order data set. So how you can get this data set is, let me show you. So based on the link that I have given in the description, you will come over here in my dataset folder. In my dataset folder, what you will going to find is this dataset sheet. Here I am maintaining now all of my dataset, and mostly I use this dataset. Rest of that I have used in different types of dashboards, but this is the one which is being used over here. So you can go ahead and download this from the row number 19. Along with this information about this particular workbook or the Google Sheet where I am keeping all of my videos. So this instructions for this, how to get this sheet, is also present in the description. What you can do is you can easily search any of my videos. As you can see, 300 plus videos that I have posted, and the link is present over here. That way searching of the video is very easy. With that, let's get back. Alright, with that information, here I am in the blank workbook in which I have imported the order sheet from that sample superstore data set, and I just created this slicer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the first date of the quarter calculation, first date of the quarter, and in this case I will say variable underscore selected, or I will take the variable on our next row by pressing Alt Enter, selected date, and this will be selected value, right? And this is based on this order date. Okay, so I have the order date selected. Now what I can do is I can do a return, and what I need is the date function here that is based on the selected date. Then what I need is basically the month function, because from month I will going to drive the quarter, underscore selected date divide by 3, that because in each quarter we have 3 months, we are going to round this up so that we get one number, round up by 0. We're going to multiply with 3 minus 2. So this is a standard calculation or easy calculation. So for example, what you have is August, which is 8, right? So if you do 8 divided by 3, rounding it up, if you multiply by 3 and minus 2, I think what you are going to get is the 7 as a number, which is nothing but July. Okay, so that is what it is going on over here, and we'll press 1, nothing but day 1 over here. So if I hit enter, and first date of the month over here is 1st of July, as I said, and over here if I go and change this to this one, 1st of July. Now when I've got the first date of the quarter, what I need is the last date of the quarter. So Control C, Control V, bring this down, and I create a new measure. Okay, and that will be last date of the quarter, right? So last date of the quarter is equals to EO, end of month. So what is our start date? Our start date is nothing but first date of the quarter, right? And we want to go to 2 months ahead. Okay, so last date of the quarter, let's just replace it with this one, and I select this and this one. What it should give me is July, August, September, right? So that's how you can easily get the desired output. 17th August is selected over here. Let me select anything else like not the August but December. Okay, and I get the output. So with that, I hope you found it useful and you will be now able to use it in your calculations very easily because dates are critical, right? So with that information, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.